Okay, I'm going to be completely honest here. I have never heard of this guy, Charlie Kirk, until his supposed assassination. That is the question. I watched the footage of him at the Utah Valley University several times, debating students, and a lot of things are not adding up for me and have me questioning some things. So this is not what the video is going to be about. I just want to touch on a couple things that caught my attention that don't make sense. Number one, why wasn't there an ambulance on site in this kind of environment? I mean, they have it for the MLB, they have it for the NFL. Number two, why was there no crime scene yellow tape around where the shooting took place? And number three, he was literally dragged into an SUV, but there was no blood trail unless he completely bled out. But that's not why I'm here today. Just some things that have me concerned and are questioning. And maybe you as well. Humanity as a whole is a reflection of countless perspectives. And the passing of Charlie Kirk, rooted in his own beliefs, does not negate yours. What we must remember is that arguing and debating often arises from fear, right? The fear of being wrong, the fear of not being heard or unseen. Yet I choose silence every time, because silence isn't weakness and truth isn't measured by volume. Your beliefs hold power when grounded in the quiet knowing of your authentic self. To live as your unique, genuine, is honoring humanity, not by forcing agreement, but by embodying the truth that only you can carry. So what happened with Charlie Kirk is not an isolated event. It is a reminder that we are all feathers on the same bird. Let that sink in. Bound together by the currents of humanity. His life, his beliefs, and even his so-called death, whether you agreed with him or not, are threads woven into the same beautiful tapestry that we all share. To dismiss or diminish his truth is to deny the complexity of our collective being. The lesson is not in choosing sides, but in realizing that every voice, every perspective, and every fate is a reflection of the collective. We may disagree, we may resist, but we cannot escape the fact that we are all part of the same wings trying to learn how to fly. Charlie Kirk's passing is not just about one man or his belief. It's a reflection of the truth that we are all part of the same bird, soaring, navigating through existence on wings made of both light and shadow. His journey, his convictions, and even the controversy surrounding him are not separate from us. They mirror the larger human condition. To judge him too harshly or to elevate him too blindly is to forget that each feather, no matter how different in color, shape, size, sexuality, contributes to the same flight. His story is a call to recognize that our arguments and divisions are surface level ripples. While beneath it all, we share the same breath of life. We share the same breath of life, the same destiny, and the same sky. So, to the powers that be that orchestrated this, whether you believe it or not, and they've been doing this for years on end, right? With the Freemasons and the Illuminati, and these are the powers that be. And if you don't play by the powers that be's rules, this is what happens. It's sad, but the real thing behind all of this is that they did exactly and accomplished exactly what they wanted. More chaos, more division, more hate. And I have a feeling that more and more people are going to disappear, so to speak. So I'm asking you and I'm challenging you to do better, to be better, to love more, to forgive more, and remember that we are all part of the same bird. I love you. Peace, love, and namaste.